Very good afternoon, students. Myself, L.K. Tripathi from LPM Public School. Dear students, we shall start Civics Chapter 4, that is a democracy. What is democracy? We shall study through this chapter. First of all, let us introduce about the democracy. It was 2nd October, the birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi. Mansi was watching a program on television which was based on the early life of Gandhiji. She learned that Mahatma Gandhi spent many years in South Africa where he practiced as a lawyer. In South Africa, he faced racial discrimination. He was thrown off a train after refusing to move from the first class seat even though he had a valid ticket. On another occasion, while traveling on a stag coach, Gandhiji was beaten by against racial discrimination by a driver for refusing to make space for a European passenger. These incidents made him raise his voice against racial discrimination. Later, racial discrimination or apartheid came to be accepted as an official policy in South Africa. Nelson Mandela has been one of the most prominent leaders who led a movement against apartheid. What is racial discrimination or apartheid? Mansi asked her parents. This is a story of Mahatma Gandhi. Once Mansi, she is a girl child watching television and she was watching the birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi. In this story, she saw that how Mahatma Gandhi suffered in South Africa when he was practicing as a barrister or lawyer there. In South Africa, racial discrimination was practiced badly those days. Once he was traveling from the train and he was thrown away from the train by the whites of South Africa. Though he had the first class ticket, but he was thrown with his bags. He was not allowed to sit in the train. Such things made him very much disappointed, and he decided to raise his voice against such types of racial discrimination. रेशियल डिस्क्रिमिनेशन और अपार्थाइड ये क्या होता है, जिसको हम अमानवीय व्यवहार कहते हैं या रंग भेद की नीति कहते हैं. रंग भेद, रेशियल डिस्क्रिमिनेशन मीन्स रंग भेद होता है कि ऑन द ग्राउंड ऑफ ब्लैक्स एंड वाइट्स द पीपल वेयर discriminated and treated those days in many parts of the world. So this is the story of the same period about Mahatma Gandhi. For the abolition of the racial discrimination, Nelson Mandela, who was a great leader of South Africa, is known as the follower of Gandhiji. He was very much influenced from Gandhian doctrine, and he also fought against racial discrimination in South Africa. And first black of South Africa, later on he became the president. What is apartheid? We shall know from this chapter. Apartheid was an official policy of discrimination based on skin color followed by the government of South Africa. The term apartheid means separateness or apartness in Afrikaans. a language spoken in South Africa. Due to apartheid, the rights of the majority of the dark-skinned people of South Africa were curtailed. The white-skinned people enjoyed all the rights and privileges. The dark-skinned people were denied all rights, and they were made to lead separate lives. It means the black people, dark-skinned people, were denied from all the rights in South Africa. They were not allowed to enjoy any privileges or any right in South Africa. There were separate neighborhoods, schools, hospitals, trains, and buses for the whites, and even the fertile farming lands were reserved for them. The dark skinned people did not even have the right to vote. It shows that they were discarded from all their rights. They had their separate neighborhood, separate schools, hospitals, trains, buses, everything. All the resources of South Africa were enjoyed by the white people. The policy of apartheid was widely criticized by countries around the world. Many countries severed all contacts with South Africa, and it was forced to withdraw from many international organizations. Though such types of practice was criticized in throughout the world, all the countries had broken the relationship from South Africa. All the concerns were disconnected, seeing such types of treatment of the whites against the blacks. The fight against apartheid was led by the African National Congress (ANC). In 1964, the leader of the ANC, Nelson Mandela, was jailed for his non-violence anti-government activities. In 1964, the African National Congress raised their voice against such types of practices in South Africa. As a result, the leader of this party, Nelson Mandela, was sent to jail. After a long struggle, apartheid was finally abolished. In the 1990s, Nelson Mandela was imprisoned for life sentence. At last, in 1990s, when the South Africa government released Mandela from prison after 27 years, South Africa were given all the rights concerned to the blacks. The government changed many discriminatory laws. In 1994, general elections were held in South Africa. When election took place in 1994 in South Africa, people from all races were allowed to vote. With this, South Africa became a democratic country, and all the people, irrespective of their races, began to be treated equally. Means every whites, blacks, human, men, everybody were allowed to participate in the formation of government. They were allowed to cast their vote, and after that, when democracy established in South Africa, Nelson Mandela became the first leader of South Africa from black community. He allowed all the people to treat equally. Let us नाउ लुक एट सम ऑफ द की एलिमेंट ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी। अब हम डेमोक्रेसी के बारे में कुछ जानते हैं। की एलिमेंट्स ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी। पीपल्स पार्टिसिपेशन, लोगों की सहभागिता डेमोक्रेसी में क्या होती है। People's participation in the affairs of government is an important feature of democracy. People participate in elections through which they choose their representatives to form the government. This is the fine example of democracy in which all the people enjoy their rights and freely they elect their representatives in the election from their constituencies to form the government. In India, the government is elected for a period of 5 years, after which elections are held again. If people are not happy with the government's performance, they are free to elect a new government. हमारे देश में जैसा है, हर 5 साल में इलेक्शन होते हैं और सरकार अगर अच्छा काम नहीं कर रही लोगों के लिए तो लोग अगले इलेक्शन में उस गवर्नमेंट को बदल देते हैं। कैसे? दे डोंट कास्ट देयर वोट इन द फेवर ऑफ रनिंग गवर्नमेंट, दे चूज अदर टाइप ऑफ गवर्नमेंट थ्रू इलेक्टोरल प्रोसेस। Apart from elections, people also participate in the process of governance by other means as well. इसके अलावे लोग जो है अदर प्रोसेस गवर्नेंस के हैं जिसमें पार्टिसिपेट करते हैं, जैसे दे कैन होल्ड प्रोटेस्ट मार्च एंड रैलीज इफ दे फील दैट ए पर्टिकुलर पॉलिसी ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट is against their interest. This is one of the finest way to protest, to disclose or demonstrate the unsatisfaction through all such types of activities as we have all the right to do so. People also protest by distributing pamphlets, holding meetings and rallies, performing street plays and dramas. These are such types of activities through which people create or express their opinions against the government. Sometimes protests get violent, where people destroy vehicle or property owned by the government to protest against government policies. Such types of happening also take place sometimes, but it should not be there. Protest means not to destroy any public or government property, otherwise it will be treated as the criminal activities. You can protest or march in peaceful manner. Employees of organizations sometimes go on strikes and refuse to work to fulfill some of their demands. Signature campaign are also a form of protest. In this way, we can say people can show or demonstrate their unsatisfaction through all such types of activities in the democracy. That's all. We are going to stop this video. Rest we shall explain in the next video. Till then, thank you.